So in today's video on progressive development in Ghana, we'll be looking at a game-changing development in Ghana's storied history as Africa's gold powerhouse. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you this news, an announcement made by Ghana's Gold Board that it is changing the future of legal gold mining in Ghana forever. Effective Wednesday, August 27, 2025, the Ghanaian Gold Board is introducing a temporal bonus of 832 Ghana cedi per pound of gold for all licensed miners across the country. This is meant to elevate the price per pound from 8,868 Ghana cedi to an impressive 9,700 Ghana cedi. This is a bold initiative and is set to empower the Ghanaian miners, strengthen the economy of Ghana, and also combat the scourge of gold smuggling. Today, join us as we'll be exploring the significance of this move and the impact of Ghana's vibrant gold mining sector. Before we delve deeper into the details, please hit the like button to support this channel and also subscribe to this channel, staying tuned on all the insightful information that we bring to you. Let's dive right into these golden opportunities for Ghanaian miners. Ghana is known historically as the Gold Coast. It's a nation that has been a beacon of gold production since the 10th century, when the ancient kingdom of Ghana traded gold across the Sahara. That is. Now fast forward to today, Ghana proudly holds the title of Africa's top gold producer. It ranks amongst the top 10 globally. That's how significant gold mining is in Ghana. And in 2024, the country's gold exports soared to $11.6 billion US. This was a remarkable 52% increase from the previous years. In the first 4 months of 2025 alone, it has seen $5.2 billion in gold exports, a staggering 76.4% rise compared to the same period in 2024. That's to tell you that Ghana's gold exports is running riot. These figures are highlighting a pivotal role gold is playing in driving Ghana's economic growth, because within this same period, Ghana's economy has risen rapidly. That is to tell you the correlation between the gold and Ghana's economy. It works hand in hand. This contributes significantly to foreign exchange earnings and also supports millions of livelihoods. Yes, the success has not come without the challenges. The gold industry, which is a complex ecosystem, is balancing economic promise with environmental and social responsibility. The licensed miners in Ghana, who form the backbone of this sector, have faced significant hurdles, especially in these recent months, and is due to the appreciation of the Ghana cedi. While the stronger Ghana cedi is reflecting the economic resilience, it has inadvertently lowered local gold prices. This is squeezing miners' income and making it harder for them to compete with the illicit market, because the illegal miners, which is galamsey, have further complicated the landscape. They are causing environmental devastation, polluting over 60% of Ghana's water bodies, and siphoning off the revenues that could benefit the nation significantly. The Gold Board sat and analyzed this, and their latest initiative is a decisive step towards addressing the challenges and building a brighter future for Ghana's gold industry. At the core of this transformative moment is the Gold Board's introduction of a temporal bonus of 832 Ghana cedi per pound of gold for all licensed miners. This is something that's meant to cut off the illegal miners and make their operations almost redundant. This is effective as of August 27, 2025. This strategic adjustment has boosted the selling price of a pound of gold from 8,868 Ghana cedi to 9,700, making legal mining even more worthwhile. It is a significant incentive for those operating within the legal framework. It is not merely about the price increase, as it's a powerful statement of support for all miners, a commitment to fairness, and a strategic move by the Gold Board to strengthen the integrity of Ghana's gold trade. The bonus addresses a pressing concern raised by the licensed mining community. Over the past few months, the remarkable appreciation of the Ghana cedi has led to the decline in the local gold prices. It is impacting their earnings, even though they've been instrumental in driving Ghana's gold output to the new heights. The miners are not just workers, they are stewards of our nation's wealth, as they've been contributing to the foreign exchange reserves that has stabilized the cedi, further stabilizing the Ghanaian economy. The cedi's strength, while a testament to economic progress, has created an unintended burden for these hard-working individuals, and Gold Board's bonus ensures that the miners are rewarded for their contributions and also protected from economic shifts that could otherwise undermine their livelihoods, especially the galamsey miners. The impact of this bonus is extending far beyond the balance sheet of individual miners. It's also about empowering the communities and also securing Ghana's economic future. The artisanal and small-scale mining sector, which employs over 1 million Ghanaians and accounts for 35% of the total gold production, generated $5 billion in export revenue in 2024. That shows you how significant their contributions are. This sector indirectly sustains 4.5 million people, from families to local businesses, making it one of the cornerstones of our economy. And by increasing the price paid to these licensed miners, the Gold Board is ensuring that these workers can provide for their families, invest in their communities, and also contribute to Ghana's prosperity. Equally important is this initiative being a critical weapon in the fight against gold smuggling. Illegal gold trading has long undermined Ghana's economy. It has been diverting precious revenue and fueling economic destruction through unregulated mining practices, and by making legal channels more financially attractive, the Ghanaian Gold Board is incentivizing the miners to sell their gold through official pathways, ensuring that the nation reaps the full benefits of its resources and not just the smuggling to illegal sources. The move also aligns with Ghana's broader mission to create a transparent, sustainable, and equitable gold industry that will prioritize the well-being of the people of Ghana and preserve the environment of the country. The Gold Board took the meticulous step. Even though the project just started, they are ensuring the speedy implementation right away, and they've strengthened the network of licensed traders across the country, equipping them with the resources and authority to implement this price increase seamlessly. From known mining hubs in the Ashanti region to emerging sites in the northwest, the traders are ready to facilitate the smooth transaction and delivering prompt payments to every licensed miners, ensuring that they are very happy and passing through the right channels. The temporal bonus of 832 Ghana cedi per pound is a critical milestone, but it's only the beginning, as the Gold Board has stated. The board is closely monitoring the impact of this initiative, evaluating the success of the initiative to curb smuggling, retaining miners in the legal market, and also sustaining gold revenues amidst fluctuating global and local market conditions. The insights that will be gained from this program will inform future policies, potentially leading to long-term strategies that will further strengthen the gold mining sector in the country, ensuring that they cut out illegal mining within the country. And when all goes well, who knows, they might even increase the prices per pound, but it's too soon to tell. What we know now is that Ghana's gold industry is poised for unprecedented growth, with new mines like Newmont's North Ahafo and Cardinal Resources Nandini Mine coming online. Also, projects like Azuma Resources Northwest Mine is set to begin production in 2026. Ghana's gold output is projected to reach 5.1 million ounces this year. These developments, combined with Gold Board strategic interventions, are positioning Ghana to maximize the economic benefits of its gold resources while addressing the challenges of illegal mining and environmental degradation. By fostering a culture of responsibility and innovation, the government of Ghana, as well as Gold Board, is laying the foundation for a gold industry that will shine for generations to come. As this news is making waves, let's hope that the Ghanaian Gold Board, through this initiative, will empower the licensed miners, strengthen the economy, and also build a sustainable future. The 832 per pound bonus is a testament to the commitment of the country to fairness, prosperity, and environmental stewardship. What are your thoughts of the Gold Board's increment to the prices of a pound of gold in Ghana? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And what do you think about the Gold Board's fight against illegal mining? Are they on the right course? Let me know in the comment section below as well. Hit the like button to inform on this insightful information, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Turn on the post notification so as to not miss any updates on Ghana's developmental journey. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.